Hi, this get is called odd or even. What we have to create is a function that takes a list as an argument, and we have to return whether the sum of the list is even or odd. Well, to get started, how do we get the sum of this list? Well, for that we have a built-in function, sum, and we can pass in the argument, our list, and that will return the sum, which is 4. Let's assign that to a variable called sum array, or in Python language, sum list equals the sum. And how can we determine whether the sum of the list is even or odd? Well, for that we have the following. So we print the sum, and then we use the modulo operator and 2. And that basically means, hey, if I keep dividing this sum by 2, is there in that case any remainder? In this case, you can divide 4 only 2 times by 2, but there isn't a remainder because it's an even number, 0. If it is an odd number like 3, let's change it up, then it will return 1. And why is that? Of course, you can divide 3 by 2 one time, but there remains a 1, and that's the hallmark of an odd number. And if there isn't any remainder, then it returns 0. How can we put it in a condition? Well, as follows. So we take the sum of the list, modulo 2, and then we ask ourselves the question, is that equal to 0? And that will return a Boolean value. As you can see, well, it is false. The sum is 3 now, and 3 is an odd number. So let's use this. If the sum of the list is not equal to 0, then we return odd. But if the sum of the list, modulo 2, is equal to 0, then we return even. So this is odd, and when we change this up, this will return even. Well, that should do the trick. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Passed all the cases. Hope this has been helpful. If so, please consider dropping a like, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.